What is up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Chucho back at it with another video. You hear the right. If you want to learn about train lines, you came to the right channel. So I'm gonna lace you guys up. I did get a lot of DMs on my Instagram requesting me this video. So here you go. I'm gonna teach you guys. I'm gonna lace you guys up, and I'll put you in my game. So for this example, we're gonna use AUDCAD. Um, it's just a random pair I chose. It's not like I trade it all the time. I had traded it sometimes. I do trade it sometimes, but it's not like one of my favorite pairs. I have made some good trades out of this pair. I mean, the beauty of Forex is just so many pairs you could choose from. But remember, try to master one, two, or three the maximum before you could just move on into all the other pairs, right? How they work. So for this, we're gonna go ahead and clear our chart. Boom. We're on the 4-hour time frame, by the way. And by just looking at it, I can tell we're in a bullish trend. We're in a bullish trend. So this is just nothing but buys. You see, this is just all pullback. I'm gonna put you guys. This is gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna go straight to the point. I personally like to do my trend lines from using the wicks. These are the wicks, guys, not from the buddies. There is traders out there who draw their trend lines from the buddies, and it works well for them. When I first started trading, I did used to do them on the buddies, but I don't know. I guess that wasn't my style. It used to. Sometimes I'll be good like a whole week, nothing but wins, and then the next week is just like getting back to the market, everything, and then messing me up. Or I guess I just wasn't patient. I wasn't doing sticking to the roads, and ever since I started doing it on the train line, and it's been years, guys. So ever since I started doing my train line on the wicks, man, it's been a game changer compared to when I used to put them on the body. So this is what I mean, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you with an example. So see, before I used to do technically like this, right? So this is what I mean when you do it from body. You leave the wicks out. What does the wick mean? The wicks mean the price at some point it was at this. It literally made this low at this level. In this case, since it's a bearish candlestick and this is a bullish candlestick, it really does not matter if it's bullish or a bearish candlestick. What matters is the wicks. So price at some point it was this low and then it made it back up. At some point it was this high and then it made it back down. So that's what the wicks mean. That means price was rejected at those levels. So I do tend to kind of like it, and it seems to work better for me. Although I the reason why I like it is because I don't get faked out as much as when I do it on the buddies. Because when I do it on the buddies, I guess get to catch that breakout a lot faster, sooner. But sometimes I do get caught up on a fake out. Well, I used to get caught up on a fake out. And ever since I started doing on the wicks, man, it's just been working perfect. So look, guys, this is what I mean. Wick, it's here. You got respected here. Like wick, and this case is right here to wick, right? So like, I'm just doing this for an example. So you see this, how it got, like, it got respected, it got respected, it got respected, it got respected. With that being said, you break it down to a lower time frame, you're gonna be able to see more of a price action, more of a pullbacks, more of how prices being respected on that, if you do it on a higher time frame and you draw it properly on the lower time frames, it should literally match up within your trend line. There's no really need to adjust the trend lines in the lower time frame after you draw them on a higher time frame. When you're looking for an entry, obviously on a lower time frame, you do tend to do a little bit more of a trend lines here and there, but that's more a little bit more advanced. This is just technically the basics of how to do trend lines. So probably make another second part. I'll probably be explaining it more in depth. So for this one, we were on a bullish and just this little movement right here. You can see how well it got respected. Look, guys, and when we're gonna draw a trend line has a bearish market, it's technically the same thing. You just draw it the opposite, just making sure you touch the wicks. Like in this example. Look. Now, did you see what, like, it literally just formed a descending triangle. Look at this, a descending triangle. So right here, price was going up, maybe just retesting, this is in the 2-hour time frame. We broke it down. We were on a 4-hour time frame. Now we went back down to a 2-hour time frame. So we just see more of a price action. I see, guys, I'm drawing my trend line on the 2-hour time frame as a bearish trend line, and then look what it formed. Remember our trend line right here? This trend line is our bullish 4-hour trend line, and then this is our 2-hour trend line, bearish. I mean, it's just to show you guys how to draw up when it's in a bullish or a bearish trend line. Look at this beauty. And then, like, if we were to just kind of look at that beauty. It's just respecting. You see, this is what I mean with the pullbacks. This is what I mean with the fake outs as well. So, like, it broke and then boom, it retested. It touched our trend line. You see how well it got respected? This candlestick was not here. Obviously, right now I'm just doing a replay, like back testing it in other words, right? Just to show you guys the example. But before this move, if we were to draw our trend line just like that, you saw how prices automatically went. Just look, beautiful. It touched 1, it touched 2, and then right here, it touched like for the 3rd time. It's just telling me it's a really strong trend, downtrend, So right here you see how price is being rejected. Look at this wick, showing me a lot of rejection. That's like a shooting star right here, right? So let's continue this. Boom. All right, I will enter right here. In this case, obviously there is more than just a breakout. There is more than, oh, we're gonna take profit, we're gonna put you stop loss, right? So look, this position, our stop loss will have to be above this because price made it this high right here and it didn't break our trend line. So it's showing us really strong trend line. What does that mean? We're in a descending triangle, so that means if price were to break above this triangle, there is high possibilities price could shoot up and probably reach back, test this level over here, probably 99,800, or maybe the 1,000, literally 1.00000, tested that. So if it were to break up, it could probably go shoot up that way. We don't know. This is why you adjust to the market. Once again, you always look at price action. You do use other things in confluence. I don't go just based on the trend line. I don't go just based on the breakout. I use other tools, other things to confirm my entry and my take profit and my stop loss. I mean, this is just, I'm just doing it for an example so you guys see how to draw your trend lines and how when you do your trend lines, you actually be able to see those descending triangles like this, I did not plan this, guys. I swear to God, I did not plan to make a descending triangle on this specific example. It just happened to, like, as I drew it, I was like, boom, I spotted, I saw it. This is not staged. I did not practice this video before. It's technically like if it's a live video, you know. I won't really be editing much of the video because I'm still learning the editing process. So I'm just gonna be raw footage like that, you know. It's like if it's a live. I mean, this is like if you were to take price like right around there. Look at these. You were technically, this is on the 2 hour, risking 44 pips to make 105 pips. And then like, and that's just with the trend lines, guys. Look at price, how beautiful, beautiful is going our way. Boom. Take profit smash, take profit hit, and we out this straight. You know what I mean? And that was just doing their trend lines. I mean, in this case, it worked just by looking at our trend lines, looking at price action, looking at the candlesticks in the patterns. We're able to get into an entry and just see price drop. You guys are might gonna think, oh, but before I did that replay, I saw how price was moving and all that. Man, that technically doesn't matter. We just did the replay for you guys to see how price works, you know. But when it's a live market, you just kind of have to adapt and adjust. But this is technically how you drew your trend lines. And then, see, we're just gonna fast forward and let it be to how price was. And see, it's technically where prices are right now. I thought it was gonna be more, but see, it took our take profit after our descending triangle got broken. So I mean, guys, if you stick to your plan, you stick to your rules, and you are patient, these trend lines are powerful. These trend lines are powerful, and it has helped me dramatically in my trading game. But like I say, I do use other things like Fibonacci, and there is some moving averages I sometimes do use just to see it helps me to see the market, the way market is moving, if it's consolidating, if it's in an uptrend or a downtrend. Um, it's just, I mean, even though I'm able to see it, it just helps me to confirm. You know, I use it as a confirmation. I use it as a confirmation. I usually like to have 2 to 3, even 4 confirmations before I enter a trade. That helps you. That helps you a lot. And also know when to cut you lost the short, let winners run, cut losses short. You know. So this is technically how you do your trend lines, guys. And like it's just in this scenario over here. You could draw another trend line right there. You break it down to the 1 hour. Boom. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. So that means if price breaks above this trend line, you'll probably see price retesting this area over here, but should possibly going up higher. But like I say, it's just something you do wait and adjust as the market moves. Always monitor your trades. After you get in, monitor your trades, you know, and just adapt, adjust. The market does not give a fuck about nobody. Whether you're wealthy, whether you're just an average person, you're poor, they don't give a fuck about your feelings. So make sure you stick to your plan. Make sure you stick to your goals, to your rules, you know, and stay disciplined, guys. This is not an overnight thing. I used to think it was an overnight thing. Trust me, the market slapped me right on the face. So I'll probably make a part 2 where I'll be more in depth on the train lines and what the things I do use to get into a trade. It was just a quick example for you guys to see. So I hope you all find this information valuable, and I hope you all like what I show you guys. This is just one of my games. More videos are gonna be coming your way and often. uploaded more much faster and more times. It's just I've been having some issues with the editing apps, you know what I mean, with the editing system and I have in my computer. And also I'm still trying to learn how it all works, you know what I mean. It's just too much technology for me, but so I guess I'm just gonna upload this video like that. I'm not really gonna edit anything because, like I said, I've been having too much issues with my editing videos. So, and it takes me a long time, man. So, shout out to all those YouTubers who do took their time, man. I mean, that's something I eventually gonna learn down more down the line. But overall, this is just for educational purposes. This is just to show you and put you in some game, and it's not really to my videos to be like badass and have the best editing ever, you know. I just want to have a good quality sound, um good video, and for you guys to be able to see and understand everything the way I see it, you know. I will be making other videos on the truth about forex and what got me into forex, and it's just gonna be video after video over time. Obviously, I am a dad, so it does take me it does take a lot of time, you know, with my daughter. So it's also kind of on the way to be consistent with the videos, but I'll make sure to be more on top of the videos and be updating more often and put you guys in some game. Over time, you guys are gonna start seeing it's gonna be more often, posting more videos more often, you know. But yeah, guys, so this is how you draw your trend lines, and you guys were able to see without me even without us even wanting to. We're learning the descending triangle, how to trade the descending triangle. It came out with our trend lines. You know what I mean? We didn't really have to draw a whole descending triangle. We just did our trend lines, and it formed by itself. So if you do your trend lines right, probably gonna see more than descending triangle, rising triangles, and other patterns, other strategies you'll be able to see. Markets wild. You always adapt to the market, you always adjust to the market, and remember, guys, keep your dreams up, keep your hopes up, do not give up trading, and let's get all these pips that we can, brothers and sisters, and we're gonna go to the top. So thank you guys for your time. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you turn the bell notifications so you don't miss next time I upload a video. Thank you guys once again for following me, showing me love, and I swear my videos are gonna get better. We're just getting started. We're just getting started. Let's get these pips. Let's catch all these pips, guys. I'll see you guys next time.